Tired of fumbling around trying to find your Stripe client ID? Let's pinpoint it in seconds and get your client-side integrations up and running. First things first, log into your Stripe dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Developers tab on the left-hand side of the screen. It's usually near the bottom. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you are in the Developer section, you'll see a few options. Select API keys. This is where all your API credentials live. Alright, almost there. Scroll down the page, and you'll find a section labeled Publishable Key. Right below that, you'll see your client ID. Starting with _is the ID you need for your client-side integrations. To copy it, simply click the copy icon right next to the ID. This will copy the client ID to your clipboard, ready to be pasted into your code or configuration. Remember, the client ID is designed for use in your front-end code so you can securely authenticate requests from web or mobile applications. Keep your secret key safe. And that's it. You've successfully located your Stripe client ID. Now you can confidently integrate Stripe into your client-side applications. Be sure to check out other quick tutorials for more Stripe tips and tricks.